Somebody asked, and they may or may not be on this call, how can you manifest on time?
I don't think you can. Um, I think that that part of the genius of meditating is that you move from chronological time to kairos time or internal time. And in fact, some of the deepest meditations are when time at the chronos time or our perception of linear time dissolves and we move into quote unquote the gap, right? Which is a timeless space of reality where all things basically are manifest at once. So, um, so trying to impose a chronological time on a spiritual practice or a kairos time of existence, I don't think is a good choice. I think that the question itself is it's kind of an egoic question, right? How can I get what I want in the time frame I want? I wish.
I wish. Yeah. And
um,
surprisingly, it always happens anyway, right? Like for you, for like the glasses thing that you talked about, that was on time, and you called it like a pleasant synchronicity or like a meaningful coincidence. And even in your pregnancy situation, it was just right on time.
right? My ego sure didn't think it was right on time at all. Um, but I ended up having two children who I adore. They're both grown up now. But it was a totally different life journey.